So the other day I picked blackberries, and now I need to do something with them. So I was thinking jelly. And the first thing you need to do is cook them down. 4 cups of blackberries with a cup of water. And just let it cook a little bit. Once everything is simmering, you want to crush the berries a little bit. Just crush it with a spoon or a potato masher. And you want to crush all the berries. You can even push it against the side of the pot. Whatever you gotta do. So once you've crushed everything up as good as you can, take it all and strain it out. Use your spoon and work it all through the sieve. So take your juice, put it in a pan. So heat this up. So you want to have a little simmer going before you add 1 pouch of fruit pectin. That just helps it dissolve. Stir that in. So you're going to bring that back up to a simmer. So once you have some bubbling going on, go ahead and add in 3 cups of sugar. So now the most important thing is dissolving all those sugar granules. So you'll notice that the jelly is really thickened up. So go ahead and bring it up to a simmer. Keep stirring it. So once you have the jelly boiling, and it's at a rolling boil that does not stop when you stir it, you should be good. At this point, that sugar should be dissolved. Turn off your heat. Make sure your jars are cleaned and sterilized. And take your funnel and ladle the jelly right in. So go ahead and finish filling up your jars. Screw on the lids. Be careful because the jars are hot. Right into your boiling water bath. You want to make sure that everything's at a rolling boil before you start your 10-minute timer. So when you see things like this happening, there's a good chance that you have a rolling boil. And we do. So go ahead, keep the lid on. This helps it stay hot. And set a 10-minute timer. Once 10 minutes has passed, you can go ahead and take off the lid. The water's still going to be boiling and everything's going to be really hot. So make sure you use tools to grab out the jelly. Take it, each jar in a little piece of towel. So the next thing you do is just let them cool down, wait for the lids to pop, and enjoy.